be fair, I'm pretty sure it's like an equal sort of draw now, because we smashed the first one. Yeah. See, now normally we do at the end of the game, if you ever end up doing the one where you have to, everyone's in the village, you have to hold as many buildings as possible. But obviously we won't be doing that one today. Getting rid of the BBs. Alright. Yeah, just get rid of the BBs and whatnot. And a battery. So they charge the batteries for you all here. Yeah, if you've got a battery, if you've got one battery or whatever through the day, or one of yours dies, you need to replace it, you can drop the other one back at the little thing where you buy all the grenades and that from, and they'll charge it for you. But you've got to obviously keep an eye on it, because people start walking off with stuff. So everything but the charger. Brilliant. So you can pick chargers up cheap anyway, can't you? So even if it's one of them knock-off, like, is it LiPo, is it, or? Because we bought one of those IMAX ones from eBay, cost like £9. And yeah, we know it's not legit and things like that, but it still works. Yeah, just don't. Obviously, we stay in the house when the batteries are on charge and all that lot, so. Fuck that. Shitty little iPhones and stuff. No, exactly. Well, I spent fucking 500 quid on this. So, oh yeah, exactly. This is the old Tokyo one, so. It was either get the Dev Brew, which is 655 quid, or get this one, which is the one just before, but it's all got the Virgin 2 stuff in it anyway. And it's like 200 quid cheaper. I'm like, yes! I know the Dev Brew's like the best one out so far, the newest one out so far, but I'll just... Well, it comes out the box with 290 FPS, and it's like, you know, it could be upgraded, but it outranges most standard AEGs, so you got the range there. Yeah, exactly. It's like you spend 200 quid on an M4 and then put £200 in sort of like adjusting it and stuff, so. Yeah, exactly. And this cost me that just out the box.